In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix NVIDIA unable to load optimal values. The first thing that you want to do is to simply delete temporary files on your computer. To do that, just simply head over to the Windows logo. In here, search for RUN, which is going to be the run system. You then want to type %temp%, which will then look something like this. Click on the OK button and simply you want to delete everything inside this folder. Right after deleting everything on the folder right here that you can, once again you want to navigate through the run folder once more, and then you simply want to remove both of the percents and then just type temp right here. Click on OK, and once again you want to do the same thing, which is to delete everything from this folder. From there, let's then navigate through our task manager, click services, click open services, and then you want to look for the NVIDIA services right here. So in our case, there's going to be 3 NVIDIA services: the display container, framework view, and the local system container. You want to make sure that all of these services are running and is set to automatic. Click start, and then you want to click OK. You have the service status right here. You want to make sure that all of them stays running. Right after, let's then navigate through the NVIDIA GeForce experience, and then you want to make sure that you updated your drivers to the latest version. So just head over to drivers and then click on the update button. Now, if it's already installed, you can just click on the reinstall option to make sure that everything works perfectly on your device. And well, if none of this fixes the problem, we can then navigate through the add or remove program. You then want to search for NVIDIA, and then you want to completely delete the NVIDIA application and also the NVIDIA Control Panel. From there, restart your computer and then reinstall the drivers once more, and this should help you fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.